Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable sounds on EO Broker. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for EO Broker. Then once we're logged in, we're going to click on Trade Now. So next we're going to click on the settings button. As you can see, the sounds option is turned off, so we're going to turn it on. So it's as easy as that. Make sure to check our YouTube playlist for other how-to tutorial videos. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.